Hi everyone, I'm Shauna, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you, and please like and subscribe for more Scentsy content. In this video, I would like to do an unboxing of the Scentsy Christmas Camper Warmer. I'm so excited about this. It was actually a scent of the month, November 2019. And it is back for our holiday collection as one of the featured items. And as I'm filming this video, it is still available. And have the box here. And I have already taken it out and kind of wiped some things off because of the pandemic. And that's just what I do. So without further ado, let me show you this adorable warmer. It is a 50-watt warmer. It is rather large. Okay, it's kind of long, but it is just completely adorable. Like, okay, so it's hand painted. It's got the little string of lights on it and little wreath on the front door, and then there's another wreath on the back end of it, I guess. And it's got like the what is this called? Like, I don't know, sheet metal, but it's really, really adorable, you guys, with the windows. And look at the front. I just love that. What is this supposed to be? Like a hitch? And it's got like little rust spots painted on there and a bolt. How cute is this? Like, I love this so much. Oh my gosh, look at the little wheel. And it's got so much detail. So it's a 25-watt warmer. There's the light bulb. And here is the dish. And if you look at the dish, you'll see the number 4 in here. That is the amount of cubes of wax that you can put in here without worrying about spillage. So oh, and this warmer is $50. Let me just turn this on for you. Oh my gosh, how cute is that, you guys? I love this. I completely love it. I will go ahead and insert a picture of the warmer for you so you can see how it looks on the surface. It's got so much detail. I freaking love this warmer, you guys. Okay, so I will go ahead and turn this off for you now. And it's got the toggle switch right here. And you just click it on and off. And it is just so adorable. I love this. So please comment and let me know what you think. If you've tried this, what your thoughts are, what you're excited about for the holiday collection. There are a ton of products that are available. A wax collection. There are oils for your oil diffuser, Scentsy Go pods, sugar scrubs, dish soap, all types of things. And Scentsy has outdone themselves. I missed my chance to get this last year, and I'm so happy that it came back this year because I just love it so much. Thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.